Technology Innovation Program at EPRI is very focused on driving the conversation, driving the discussion around innovation. With events like this, we've brought in partners from across the industry to talk about their innovation. How are they innovating? What are their successes? What are their challenges? And how do they then best leverage their innovation to achieve their future-looking goals? The industry is very focused on decarbonization. How we do that is through innovation and looking at novel solutions and technologies and approaches and business models to help us set what that future looks like and help us achieve that future. EPRI's Technology Innovation Program allows our members to engage in new technologies, understand emerging trends, and how it may impact the energy industry. Technology Innovation Program really is focused on three areas. We have strategic insights, where we focus on emerging topics and trends across the industry. We also have our strategic research gaps, which help us identify the white space between the research we're doing today and the research that we need in order to deliver on those decarbonization objectives. The final component is our sector-led research, which is diving deep into the fundamental technologies that are driving generation, nuclear, and our grid and end-use customer technologies. So we impact the whole of EPRI, and we deliver value across a wide value range.